on the road again. I am just leaving Mount Robson Provincial Park, and I had originally said it was in Alberta. It is not. It is still in BC. I'm heading into Alberta today, into Jasper. Last night was great. I had an awesome campsite. It was right on this little lake. I was invited to a propane fire with a family that was next door to me, and I say propane because fire ban is still in effect. They had like a nice little propane outdoor fire type thing. It was an awesome night. I got to sit and talk with them and hear about their adventures and what they have coming up, and we just really clicked, and it was a great time. So thank you guys for inviting me over. Hopefully you'll kind of catch this at some point. It was just really cool to sit down and talk with you guys and hear about, you know, what you're up to and all that good stuff. So definitely honored to have been a part of that last night. That was very, very nice. But now I'm moving on. I'm going to try to hit this little lake just north of Jasper before I head into Jasper itself and set up camp for the next, I think it's 7 days, and that's going to be amazing. There's going to be a lot of hiking and paddling, I hope. Should be some really nice lakes around there too. So that's it. Another adventure.